those stuff. You can't have them working there and they will never, ever, ever think of doing those stuff. There are a lot of unsound mind people there.
Unforgettable.
Yeah.
Unforgettable. Me not go push you in your head, you know. But me I go tell you, say trust nobody. Only thing you can trust your own self. And me can't even trust my own self because I hope I tell me put on all money and say me not go use my teeth back for myself.
That's
so you can't trust not even yourself, darling. You can't say they are off unsound man and they will never do that. You only can tell what you won't do. Right?
That's very true.
In the world where we're in now, because you don't know when they hear, go tell them to do it, darling.
And Lava,
people keep saying, oh, how you know that is him? He confessed. It's there. He confessed right in front of the police.
He confessed to who did he confess to? The father alone. Who else he confessed to?
The father said.
The father
he went there in the crowd.
Mm-hmm.
And people are saying the same thing. Because on other live when people are saying, I want to know say him do it. Other people from the community that was there the night when them, because there's video there when the people actually are throw black in his head. Mm-hmm. People saying other people should stop the chatting because him confessed and there was blood on his private area.
All right.
But listen to me now.
So Mr. Tiger now, you hear the blood again. You hear the blood again.
So somebody I tell lie.
Yeah, because the first, you see this when he raped the little boy, the time when he raped the little boy, him went, and gone normal like nothing happened and the blood was still on his shirt. The blood.
But earlier somebody said he bathed and got sell cars.
He bathed.
That you see, that is the thing. Too much hearsay and this say. I am in America.
But I'm not hearsay, no unforgettable. A family member come up and say so,
That's the thing. Some of them need to shut up. Some of them need, because most of them will talk never did they. Some of them just need to shut up and them are making investigation.
Alright, let me ask you one question, unforgettable. Alright, let me say something to you. You know, so the father alone me hear saying confess to him. You never hear him saying confess to the whole of him. He's saying tell him say him do it. And the father alone story that
But the father alone said that. He saying, right? When him got there to him.
Did that man confess to the police? Didn't tell the police him? You have any idea? Did he look at this? Right? Did he tell the police that it was him?
Well,
unforgettable.
Yes, I'm hearing.
Let me ask you one question, right?
Okay.
I have 36 kids, so that will tell you I'm a father.
Okay.
Now, do you honestly feel like a parents, somebody gonna tell a parents, whether father or mother, that they just unalive and grape their daughter or their son, and you don't even try to pinch that person there? We tell her that. Not if you try to push out your hand, if you even get a person a little pinch.
That's true. Because he also stated that him could lift up and pin.
Right. So how he get there? How did he get there? Kira, I have to follow the ghost and send me a request. Can I look like you're not
Me not gonna lie, Tiger. Me
some of them need to shut up. Some of them actually need to shut up for true.
Tiger, all if I'm in bed, me dey pan and me first lick him. Sorry.
Again, did you know the little boy that he raped the last time he went to prison? The mother and him actually went to the station and the GP sat. The mother sat beside him and did nothing to him. The mother sat beside him when he raped him little son.
Good day.
Good day.
All right. Me just a little snip of what HR say. I do criminal psychology in school, and when I know if you hear about this case in Boston where this man killed one old woman, and then police lock him up and confess the crime. Oh, sorry, unalive, and then he confessed the crime. People, there are some crazy people in this world.
You see, it starts from the generation because the rape didn't start from the
We live in a world
the
where
grape
such
the
crazy
grape
things
didn't
can
start from
happen.
that young man alone. The grape start from that young man bigger brother. His bigger brother who is living in the community
I
now
have a
did it
question
to
though.
him first.
I have
But
a
he's the
question
only
though.
one that is keep doing it. But the
Unforgettable
grape is
Shan.
start from his home.
Unforgettable Shan. Why is he in this community? He raped this little boy. Why is he in the community?
He's in the community because the police, after releasing, the police keep sending him back there, and his father keeps signing the paper for him to come back there, and their other resident keep signing too. So our system,
Unforgettable.
our
You live in
justice
the
system.
area, right? You live in the
Yes,
area.
I do. Yeah.
So you never afraid of him.
I'm a person where the home that I come from, I don't come outside, and if I do come outside, is my own drive. So even though I worried about other people.
So they're not saying broke in a house too.
Broke in a house, but a who for that's the thing. That him know who for target. Him know who for target because there are other kids like literally in the community and them now go home till evening.
Let me ask you one question. Is it true? Is it true say that the little girl alone living in that little area this one?
Round there, so yes. To be honest, yes.
Okay.
What you're saying now is that
because further from their house, big people live around there, and a ground area. It's mostly elderly live around there, so for true.
So unforgettable. One question let me ask you now, right? So him mad, he not sensible, but he know who and who for trouble from who and who not for trouble. Then so he want sensible madman.
Right, and them a label him as unsound, but he's not.
What me want to know is, seeing as everybody knows that him is that type of person, is it a case that they just trust him all of a sudden rape this boy? Because why is it that he know who to target till he target this girl?
You know that little question.
The word is great.
Kira,
it's not about everybody know and not doing anything.
Unforgettable. One second, please. When you're talking about the R word, you have to use it as grape, and when you're calling the K word, you have to say unalive.
Alright, okay, mama.
The thing is, guys, people keep saying we know, and we know. See now that the little girl is unalive. The man that them arrest now is my uncle. You see, we do things. The police, and we said when the police them go lock up, you know, cause them done have him as unsound. Them done label him as unsound, you know. And as me said, them now give him more than 3 or 2 years behind locked up, and then them just release him back.
So where's the father that was supporting this man?
Uno over there to the community is to be blamed. You hear me say so again? Because here uno need 1 second people. Uno need to go down at the station or protest in front of the station, block some road, give the police them some work or they not do no work. Just go light some weird fire and make the fire truck with the government them have when I use, run up and down and out some fire. Right? Without gonna get serious. Without gonna get serious, your uncle will stay there for this man. Right? The community need to come out and let their voice be heard.
Them now come out, you know.
Oh, they now come out.
Them now come out. When them used to come out, them now come out. Make a this election and see the whole of them run out.
But
them not run out when him do it the 2 times them before. Them wait till him analyze the little girl. They see what them do. Them wait till I know everybody are gonna post up. Oh, she doesn't deserve it. Nobody never deserve it. As long when him in there do it, and at them same one have him. I hire him to walk in a ground, so him feel comfortable and say, oh yes, we can do it again and rate and this and that. When long time when all of them did hear say him I go come back, I found them the time that when him come a whole nation I wish that gather up and look at this side say none of them not Tanya. His daddy or none of them. Since his daddy are back him, uno can't Tanya. And me nah say them fi put him in another community because if him have him in mind, he can go another community and do it. Them need to take him and lock him up and just no lock him up and let him out.
When they go somewhere else, you don't know yet.
Unforgettable. I choose them burn down the house.
As me say, I am in America now and I work in program. Me not really, and when me not really work
party
after
again.
hearsay.
A third party again, but I hear say, the whole way you come down with no apart from where you live in, they are still here, so you never live on the spot Tuesday.
But me can talk. Me can talk.
Yeah, you're talking about when you were there. Yeah.